So today we're having a surprise birthday party for my favorite person in the office, Serena. I mean, she's everybody's favorite person, but you know. Yeah, we're just really lucky to have her around the office. She's just a smiling face. She loves everyone. She's just really committed to the company, and we're just really lucky to have her. So I'm really excited that we're having this party for her. Are you guys excited? I don't know about you guys, but I am so excited. Man, I think today's just gonna be, I think it's just gonna be the best party. Mainly because I planned it. And everything's going exactly to plan. And I'm so excited. I'm excited! Guys, look what I just printed out. Did one of you guys bring the frame?
We were supposed to bring a frame?
Yeah.
No.
Sorry. Why don't you go get the printer ink? I think we're out. Go.
I got it.
Hurry up.
I think they're coming. I heard somebody knock.
Everyone get down. Oh, hats.
Surprise!
What is this? A surprise birthday party!
So apparently, Jehovah's Witnesses do not celebrate birthdays.
Yes. Hi, people.
Surprise!
Wow, you really shouldn't have.
Happy birthday!
Thanks. Josh, we need to talk.
So, what was it you wanted to talk to me about?
I'm quitting.
You're quitting?
Yes.
Like, you're quitting your softball league? Or
No, my job.
Do you have another job that you're quitting?
Yeah, no, I have another job lined up because I'm quitting this job.
But we love you here.
We were just looking for printer ink. There isn't any.
David, let's go.
What? I have a lot of work to do.
No. We don't do quitters here.
No, let me get my coat.
Wait, Josh. Don't we need someone to fill her position?
That's what we're doing. Come on, Dave. Wait, let me get. So, I don't know if you heard, but Serena quit.
Yeah, Josh. I was in the office when she said it.
You were.
Are you broken up about it?
I am. She was my favorite person in the office, besides me.
Well, that's kind of narcissistic.
Well, you know what, Dave?
Okay, let's just go to lunch.
So Josh called me and apparently they're having car troubles. So I'm gonna have to take care of all the interviews for him. He left me a list of questions, but... Hi, my name's Renee. I'll be interviewing you in place of Josh today.
Hi, I'm Isabel Turl. I'm a straight Mexican female, so you don't have to guess. I go by the pronouns her, she, it, because it's my initials, or simply call me Belle.
Okay, I just have some questions for you. So what makes you qualified for this job?
Oh, I'm a woman.
But like, what are your qualifications?
I'm a female.
What makes you qualified to do this job? Like, college?
Female. Woman.
Okay, what could you contribute to office life?
The lack of a Y chromosome.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I'm not going to say a family because that is just wrong. Conforming to the ideology of I don't want to have a husband and children.
Josh.
No.
Josh. This is fine.
I do not need to be escorted out by a man. I am an independent woman. Women are the future.
Next. Hi, my name's Renee. I'll be Jack. We're interviewing people right now.
Okay.
You have a job here already.
That is correct.
Why are you here?
Well, if I have 2 jobs, then I figured I would have more power in the company, so I can take it from Josh.
That's not how it works. Just go get coffee. Next. Hi. We don't normally do 2 people at once for an interview, but I just have a question that I'm gonna ask, okay?
Oh, sure. Ask us anything you like.
Okay, what motivates you? Like, what drives you?
Jesus Christ. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Do you know Jesus Christ?
Are you here for the interview? For a
Oh, yes.
position?
For a position
In heaven. Josh. Next. Hi, I'm Renee. I'll be interviewing today. I have some questions.
Okay.
What's that?
That? Yeah, that's a DJI Phantom 3 4K.
A what?
It's a drone. It flies around and takes pictures and video.
Are you aware that this is an accounting job?
Oh, I'm very much aware, but are you not aware of all the incredible uses of a drone in an office?
No.
You're not?
No.
Dude, these things have revolutionized the market. It's made
No.
everything just so much easier. Like, I don't even know. Just, I could go on for hours and days and just how
Lunch
amazing-
break.
Skirt.
So basically, all the interviews were a bust. None of the candidates were good, and we have no one. Hey, do you want a job? You're hired.
I'm just the janitor.
You're hired. Congratulations.
Oh, thanks.
No.
Hey, Jack, did you ever find any printer ink?
I was supposed to find printer ink.
Oh, David and Josh are back. Oh my gosh. Are you guys okay?
I don't really want to. I don't want to touch your filthy car.
It looks like you're doing a pretty good job.
Push!
What did you guys do?
Push! Come on, Dave.
Good job,
Are you
Dave.
serious?
Almost there, Dave.
My thighs are burning.
You're doing perfect.
Work off those.
Come on, Dave. Push!
Human engine.
Come on!
Okay, that's enough.
David, you're so disappointing! Dave, keep pushing!